Dan 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 pastila.
Tapos sila na please Basti P is the web Basti. We're back with another Nendoroid review. Ngayon nasa harapan natin ang number 100 ay 100 tuloy 1361 Inosuke Hashibira. Alam niyo yan, if you're a fan of Demon Slayer, siya yung makulit sa grupo, yung maingay. And if you know me, fan ako ng Inosuke and I have an Inosuke shelf. So yan sa harap, you can see Inosuke sa isang side, the other Nendoroids on the line. Dati meron ako pero binenta ko. Tapos yan, preview art sa likod, the legalities and yung mga details kay Inosuke. And then sa isa pang side, Inosuke and Inosuke ulit. Sa taas naman, Inosuke, and sa baba ganun din. Iba lang yung post. So unbox natin to, sa ilalim natin i-unbox. So you know me, I always unbox my figures and my toys sa ilalim so as to avoid creases on the top of the box. Salamat nga pala uli sa Mr. Manila for this Inosuke action figure. Maraming salamat. Yung box, this makikita nyo yung manual. So yan, you can see the accessories na kasama ni Inosuke, how to change the faceplate, how to use the sword, and ayan. Medyo malaki pala to. Ayan. So you can pause if you wanna see it, pero yan masyadong mahaba. So hindi kasya sa frame. And ayan, yung mga ano lang naman yan, mga instructions. And here you can see we have maraming clamshell dito kay Inosuke. Tignan natin kung ilan yung clamshell na meron. So I see 2 pairs of clamshells. Oh yeah, 2 pairs of clamshells. So one for the main Nendoroid and then the accessories, and then sa likod yung mga faceplates and stand, pati yung ibang accessories na rin. So ayan, ito yung isang clamshell. So yung faceplate, dalawang faceplate yung kasama niya, may alternate knees, and then meron ding alternate hands, arms, tapos yung kanyang Nendoroid stand. Also here, ito yung main clamshell. So when you buy an Nendoroid and other Japanese figures, they are wrapped in plastic so as to maintain the freshness of the figure. Bagong-bago talaga. Mint na mint. So, yeah, malalaman nyo yan pag nagsisinungaling yung nagbebenta sa inyo. Pag hindi mint, di ba? Hindi na nakalagay sa plastic. So, ibig sabihin nun, BIB na or back in box. So, here are all the accessories that comes with this Inosuke figure. And ang dami. They have 2 face plates. The one is for the beautiful face of Inosuke. The one is for the munching face. So, pag kumakain, we have 4 different arms and 2 alternate hands. So yung alternate hands is for eating, and for, I believe yung isa pwedeng gawin yung Kamaboko Gonpachiro pose, I'm not sure. And then this is the sword sheath na pwede mo ilagay sa tagiliran ni Inosuke. Alternate knees for the jumping pose. This one I'm not sure, pero I believe this is an alternate stand for doing the jumping pose. And here are the arms that comes with the stand, and then the Nendoroid standard Nendoroid stand, and also the sword, and dito yung kanyang slashing effect. So let's simulan na natin ito. Mahaba-habang review siguro to. So let's first take a look into the details of this Inosuke Nendoroid na sobrang cute. Ang cute talaga ng mga Nendoroid. Lahat naman ng Nendoroid cute. So let's first take a look at the details. So we have here the boar hide, the boar mask pala. The boar mask, ito yung iconic kay Inosuke, di ba? Yung maskara niya na to. So alam naman natin na sa Demon Slayer, siya yung makulit and siya yung nagcha-channel ng mga inner beast niya para magamit yung kanyang full power. So ayan, you can see pink. Ang ganda ng pink na details. Nicely done. Sana lang pinaint na nila ng maayos yung loob para mas dynamic yung dating. Pero okay lang yan, minor gripe lang. And then yung tenga niya, gusto ko yung shading. It transitions into from the grayish brown to the pink. So ang ganda ng gradient, and then dito ang ganda din ng gradient, yung shadowing effect. You can see it here, diba? Kitang-kita nyo naman na nag-iiba yung kulay sa ilalim, ganun din. And then yung kanyang body, sana all may 6-pack, diba? So yan, batak si Inosuke, and yung arms nagagalaw siya. Now yung kanyang boar hide na parang pambabae is made of a soft material lang naman, but yeah, you have to be very careful with action figures. Hindi mo masasabi, malay mo may mabali dyan. And then yung kanyang feet, yan, naka-sandals, and then meron ding small fur dito. So ang ganda, nice detail. And syempre yung blue is may shadowing effect din, as you can see. Isa parang lukot, diba? So nice. Now I want to remove this head and show you how to change it into the poging mukha or the beautiful face. So yan, you first have to remove the faceplate. So inside yan, flesh color, and then may mga hollow spots for the eyes. So yan. And then para matanggal to, ito, hawakan mo tong part na to. Yan, para matanggal yung sa likuran. And then ito namang ulo na ito kakabit natin. Mayroon pang plastic, 'di ba? So yan, ganoon lang, basic lang. Tatanggalin mo pala to, sorry. Tatanggalin mo yung buong leeg kasi may kasamang joint for the separate face. And yan, taking a look at the details of this alternate head is sobrang ganda din ng details, sobrang ganda ng kulay, yung shadowing effect din, it transitions from the dark one to the parang royal blue, navy blue yung kulay. And then yung mata, it's so beautiful, so pretty, Inosuke, so beautiful. Now, to remove this faceplate, as with other Nendoroids, ganun lang, simple. Uy, pareho na aming panot. Tanggalin mo lang, ihilahin mo lang, and wait lang, medyo mahirap tanggalin yan. And then put in the munching face. The munching face is for eating kasi meron siyang alternate hand na may kasamang ang cute, may kasamang hipon. Anong tawag sa hipon? Anong tawag dito sa pagkain na ito? Nalimutan ko. Comment nyo lang sa baba, I forgot. Pero yan, you can see breadcrumbs or crumbs dito sa kanyang bibig, and he's smiling maniacally. Not English, pero I don't want to use that. I don't want to use this head either. I want to use the boar head kasi doon natin nakilala si Inosuke. 'Di ba? Ang gusto kong itawag dito kay Inosuke, Kamaboko Ganpachiro, kahit yun yung tawag niya kay Tanjiro, pero wala naging iconic talaga sa akin eh. Doon ko siya naging paborito dahil sa scene na yun. So, ganun lang, pag ibabalik mo yung isang faceplate, snap it in the back and then in the front. Yan. And you have the boar face. For the articulation, the head can move up as far as that, can move down as far as that, can rotate the whole 360 degrees. So I'm doing it para hindi nyo nagawin. It can pivot side to side in a small manner. Now for the set of hands na kasama, it can go up as much as that kasi tinatamaan na ng ulo and back. So very, very far. Now dito naman, meron siyang hip swivel. Yan. And for the default feet or legs, can move only as much as that, and then dito. Now I'm going to remove this. I'm going to use these alternate knees. So merong mga anti-shrinker tong mga to. So ito mga anti-shrinker para hindi mag-shrink. So I suggest na pagtatanggalin nyo to, ikakabit nyo dun sa default na legs, gamitan nyo din ito para hindi mag-shrink yung butas or hindi sumikip, 'di ba? So yan, tatanggalin mo lang, and then yan. Ito yun, dito yung may bilog na joint, dito may kakabit yung thighs ni Inosuke, and then pag itong patusok naman na ganito or yung basic circles lang, dito may lalagay yung paa niya. So let's try and do that. Unti-unti ko lang para makita niyo yung jumping pose kasi yun yung pinakamahirap gawin, I believe. So yan. Now we have the alternate knees, diba? Dito mo siya ikakabit. Yan, this one is for the left. This one is for the right. Okay, magalala. Yung paa naman niya, either way naman yan eh. You can go either way. Now, kabit na natin. For the jumping pose, yan. Diba, parang tumatalo na si Inosuke. Sa kabilang side, ganun din. Yan. So, he's already jumping, diba? And, yun, no? Medyo may range of motion. Nagagalaw din siya. Nice. Now, if you wanna remove both hands, both arms, and use the swinging arms. Ito siya. This one is for the left arm of Inosuke. Yan. Now the other one is for the right arm. So, diba, alam naman natin na he's using dual blades na may mga ngipin. And yes, may mga ngipin yung blades ni Inosuke. So, where are the swords? If you're asking, andito sila. It can go either hand naman. So, ayan. Let's use this for the right hand. Just doing the slashing effect. So, I believe yung alternate na stand na kasama is for the slashing effect. Now, where's the other sword? This one is the other sword for Inosuke. Yan. Diba? Pasok na. Ganyan yung jumping pose niya. Yan yung jumping pose ni Inosuke. Now, I'm going to use the stand. So, all Nendoroids have a hole at the back. So, that's for the stand. Ayan. And syempre, yung mismong stand. Yung base ng stand. So, let's try this one. The farthest sa pinakalikod. Ayan. It's already jumping. It's doing the jumping pose. Now, for these to work, you need to put the sword here. Kita nyo? May, butas, diba? So, it's for the sword. So, So just give me a second. So mali pala yung ginawa ko. The other arm that comes with Inosuke is for the wide open arm. So ito yun yung dalawa. These are wide, naka-wide para makita yung slashing effect. So you're going to change the hands from that pala into this one. So ganito yung itsura niya. So ayan, I just swapped the hands from this type of arm. So ito yung dalawang klase ng arm, diba? So iniswap ko lang yung kamay. So wala na silang kamay, natatanggal din. Now pwede na natin ikabit itong slashing effect. So let me try this. So ito yung method ng pagkabit ng sword dun sa slashing effect. Papasok mo lang. Ayan. Then you can use it na ganun lang. So for the other sword, I need to remove the sword first, or pwedeng yung buong kamay na rin. So as you can see, it's kind of heavy. So that's where you will use the alternate stand that comes with Inosuke. Just give me a second, guys. Pasok lang sa kabila. And ayan, it's already in. So very simple lang to do. And now, you can see, he's using the effect. Now, ito yung mga alternate stand na kasama. Ito yung alternate base. And ito yung alternate na mga arms. Ayan, so tinesting ko nang walang stand, pwede naman pala. So ang ganda ang ganda ng effect, diba? He's jumping. Inosuke is jumping. So yan, pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon na naka-stand si Inosuke, and kinabit ko na rin yung dalawa niyang sword, yung nasa sheath. Ayan, tapos to measure the size of Inosuke, yan yung kanyang height is almost 4 inches pag nasa stand, pero pag wala is yan, almost 4 inches lang din. Now, kaya ako sinama yung ganyang pose kasi we're gonna compare it with other Nendoroids na meron tayo. Yan, so unang-una, si All Might, my favorite. So sila dalawa yung paborito kong anime characters, obviously. And si Reinhardt from Overwatch. So yan lang yung mga ayan lang yung mga Nendoroid natin sa ngayon. So sana dumami pa. Ang gaganda pala pag madami. Now, we have other Inosuke figures here. So ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng scaling. Now, we have other Inosuke figures here. First is a Banpresto Inosuke na natanggal yung sheath ng sword. Kabit lang natin. Yeah. Yan. So ang ganda. Bagay na bagay yan sa Inosuke shelf ko. Next one is we have two small ones. So first is yung unmasked Inosuke. The second one is hindi unmasked. So yan ay from Adverge Motion Bandai. And the last one, hindi ko na sinama yung alkansya ko. May alkansya kasi ko doon ng Inosuke, is from Q Posket. So ang ganda. Nai-imagine ko na Inosuke shelf ko. Kulang na lang resin tsaka action figure. So yun, for this review mga pasilan, I really love what they did. And I almost forgot. Meron pa pala tayong Tanjiro dito na action figure from Buzzmod. So just waiting for the Buzzmod Inosuke. So ayan, you can see tama lang yung sizing kasi nga mas maliit yung Nendoroid, diba? So ayan, saktong sakto. Now for this review mga pasilan, I'll be giving this Inosuke action figure a grade of rating of grade. Gustong gusto ko yung grade talaga. Gusto ko talaga, kaya binigyan ko ng grade kasi bias ako eh. Favorite character ko sa Inosuke, and kahit hindi ako bias, bibigyan ko pa rin ng grade kasi ang daming accessories. May alternate stand, may swinging effect, ang daming hands na kasama, may mga alternate face na kasama, and I almost forgot to show this to you. Meron siyang kasamang ganito. So yung pag nabubugnot siya, pwede niyang isama to. Slide nyo lang yun sa gilid ng ulo kung saan nyo nilalagay yung faceplate. So yun, so I recommend you buying one if you're a fan of the Demon Slayer series and kung fan kayo ni Inosuke in general. So yun mga pasilan. That's all for this review. Nyo kakalimutan mag-like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media. Kasi nyo kakalimutan pindutin yung notification bell and subscribe button para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong video. So yun mga pasilan, keep safe and always strive to be better than yesterday. Ako plus Plastic PS, diba Plastic paalam. So salamat nga pala ulit sa Maze from Manila for this Inosuke action figure. Love you, Boss Mon.